Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do this makeup look right here. This one is a smoky brown coppery eye look. I've already got my base done, so let's get started. So I'm taking this beautiful burgundy shade from my Makeup Revolution palette. I'm just going to place it in the crease of my eyes, mainly concentrating on the outer corner of my eyes and then slowly blending the color inwards. Now taking this pretty brown shade, I'm going to place it all over my eyelids, leaving the inner corners of my eyes. Now taking this rose gold shade from this palette, I'm going to place it in the inner third and the inner corners of my eyes, and also placing it in the inner third of my lower lash line. Now taking this chocolate brown shade again, I'm going to place it in the lower lash line. Now taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, I'm going to line my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line, and then smudge it with a smudging brush to get that smoky effect. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And last but not the least, I'm going to fill my lips with this beautiful peach shade. And I'm done! So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. And if you like it, then you know what to do. Please hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.